You want to know why homemade Nigerian fried rice hits differently? Then watch this video from beginning to the end because today I am showing you how I make this colorful flavor. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at everything we'll be using today. We've got basmati rice, fresh spring onions, mixed vegetables, king prawns, vegetable oil, onions, fried rice seasoning, thyme, curry powder, black pepper, diced beef, and a little salt to bring all these amazing flavors together. Normally, Nigerian fried rice is made using freshly diced carrots, green beans, sweet corn, and green peas prepared separately. But for this order, we're using mixed vegetables because it is quicker, more convenient, and still gives us that freshness, vibrant color, and signature crunch that makes fried rice so delicious. First things first, I am placing a pot on the cooker and adding water. While the water heats up, I am washing my basmati rice thoroughly. This step is very important because it helps remove excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming sticky. Once the rice is properly washed, I am transferring it into the pot. Next, I am adding my fried rice seasoning directly into the rice. This helps the grains absorb flavor right from the cooking stage. I'll also add a little salt, just enough to lightly season the rice. Give everything a quick stir and allow it to cook. As this rice cooks, the seasoning starts infusing every grain with flavor, which is one of the secrets to making really tasty fried rice. At this stage, we're not looking to cook the rice completely. The goal is to parboil or half. Cook it because the remaining cooking will happen later when we combine it with the vegetables and allow everything to steam together. I am placing another pot on the cooker and adding vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, in goes the sliced onions. Listen to that sizzle. This is where the magic begins. We're going to saute these onions until they're soft, fragrant, and slightly golden. The aroma at this point is absolutely amazing. Next, I am adding my king prawns. These will add a rich seafood flavor that takes this fried rice to another level. Give everything a good stir so the prawns cook evenly. Now it's time for the seasonings. This is where all those delicious Nigerian fried rice flavors come together. I'll keep stirring gently to allow every ingredient to blend perfectly. One thing I love about Nigerian fried rice is how simple ingredients come together to create something absolutely delicious. Next, in goes our mixed vegetables. The colors alone make this dish so beautiful. We've got carrots, green peas, sweet corn, and green beans adding freshness, color, and texture. Stir, fry everything together for a few minutes while keeping the vegetables vibrant and slightly crunchy. Even though we're using mixed vegetables for convenience, we're still getting all the color, freshness, and texture that make Nigerian fried rice stand out. Now I'll add the spring onions. Spring onions bring a fresh flavor that instantly elevates fried rice. Give it another good mix and allow all those flavors to marry together. At this point, the kitchen smells absolutely incredible. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. I am adding the cooked rice into the vegetable mixture. Slowly fold everything together so every grain gets coated with that delicious sauce. Take your time here because this step determines how evenly flavored your fried rice will be. Look at those beautiful colors. Every spoonful is packed with flavor. At this stage, all the ingredients have come together beautifully. The rice is fluffy, colorful, and packed with flavor. Always remember to taste your food before serving. If you need more seasoning, this is the perfect time to adjust it. Now I am adding my diced beef. This particular fried rice was prepared according to our customer's preference. Normally, we also add diced fried liver and sausages to make it even richer and more loaded with flavor. But for this order, we're keeping it exactly the way the customer requested. Now for the best part, serving. I am plating this gorgeous fried rice and pairing it with some delicious beef and golden fried plantains. Just look at that combination, colorful, inviting, and absolutely mouth-watering. This is the kind of meal that brings everyone to the table before you even call them. Whether you are making it for a family dinner, a weekend treat, a celebration, or meal prep, this Nigerian fried rice never disappoints. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious homemade meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, happy cooking and enjoy every bite.